The Galaxy Z Flip5 is said to be Samsung's best-designed clamshell foldable Android smartphone to date. However, a hands-on video with an alleged dummy of the device still seems to exhibit signs of a gap created by its hinge when folded, a feature often linked to the increased risk of fragility. You don't need to have been following the Samsung Galaxy Flip5 leaks particularly closely to know that we expect it to be announced later in July. The same goes for the fact that it's likely to have a big new cover display, and it's that display that's all but confirmed thanks to the latest leak. That leak includes multiple photos and a video of what appears to be Samsung Galaxy Flip5 dummy units. And they look just as great as we hoped they might. This latest leak comes via /leaks and a source known as LeakSpinner. We're told that this particular leaker has a good track record, so we can likely take this collection of images at face value until we're told otherwise. What this leak shows us is a number of dummy units in various different poses, some of which appear designed to show that new cover display off to the fullest. It obviously isn't functional here. Dummy units are just that, dummy devices that don't have internals but show the overall design. But the white chassis is enough to show exactly how large that display is. We also get to see how it slightly wraps its way around the dual camera setup too. Other tidbits that we can see include an internal hole punch camera as well as some rather small bezels, although we'll need to see that foldable display lit up to be sure of how it will look in use. Unfortunately, the demonstration seems to reveal that Samsung has not solved every potential problem of the Galaxy Flip 4 and its successor. Its dummy still has the water jug-shaped hinge gap of older foldables, whereas rivals such as Motorola's new flexible flagship do not. The new leak may also indicate that the Flip 5 will come in black and white and may be more or less the same size as its predecessor. Also visible is a Usbc port, which is of no surprise to anyone, and everything else appears to match up with what we've been told to expect from the previous Samsung Galaxy Flip 5 leaks. That's all good news, of course. If the rest of the rumors pan out, we're going to be very happy indeed. So how do you like these new dummy photos of upcoming Z Flip 5 from Samsung? Let us know your valuable thoughts below in the comment section. And if you guys enjoyed the video, then a sub to the channel will be massive, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you for the next time. Peace out.